Asuntoskeittiö Espoon aamukasti.
Today it's the 10th of October 2022 and we have it is it was Ullantorppa, yeah. Torpet maybe Swedish, but we have to check it later what the name in Swedish was. It's here in Koivuhovi, Björkby, close to Kauniainen and Grankulla here in Hissi, Hissi region, and also in Finland in Espoo. This was actually finished in 2003, so it's from late 2002, but they started constructing this in 2000 already, so it was severely delayed.
Yeah.
This number is 9145116. It will also be inspected next year, 2023. Turning 20 years old this year, 2022. 4 floors here.
Yeah.
And hydraulic.
It's Björkgård, not Björkby.
What?
Björkgård, not Björkby.
I mean, yeah. It's not Ivanta. This is Björkgård. Yeah. Koivuhovi, Björkgård. I always forget that.
Yeah.
Because that one is to the north of Tikkurila.
Yeah. Iskutiittaakin vain meidän Tedpais pois.
Yes.
On Suomen hissirakointi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course. It's always easier to make a mistake.
Yeah.
That's it now.
Yeah.
But I wonder it was enough here because it's
Yeah.
That's it.
That's